All right, here's the tether mount. So you just press here. It comes unplugged as soon as you press that. It comes out for charging. Then that snaps right back in. On this end, this is the cover. You slide it out. You notice the tip is coming out of the end as you slide it, and that exposes the button. You press it. I don't know if you can hear that, but it makes that little sound. It'll go for 7 seconds each cycle, and then time out. And you can grab it. It is not hot. And when you press it, it actually does show the charge level. And you light it there at the end.
Recording.
All right, I'm going to review the USB electric lighter. This is it here. And the box that it comes in. Here's the candle we'll demonstrate on it. And this is what the device looks like. So here's the front where you would actually light your candle, barbecue pit, cigarettes if you smoke, any of that stuff. Fireplace, grill, gas stove. This is the on-off button. These are the LEDs to tell you your power indicator. So mine should be fully charged. This is the USB that you would push this button here. And then when you push this button, make sure I get this right here. You push it, and then you would pull out the USB cable here. And then you just plug this into any USB. It's like I have my surge protector here. You would basically just plug this in, and it would begin charging. And as you can see, mine is fully charged here. But that's how you would charge your electric lighter. Okay, so let's just demonstrate how the electric lighter works. I'm going to put this back in its spot, and it locks in place. This is the on-off button. You would just basically push that out. Inside, there's another button that you would push, and this is the lighter lighting, and you would use this to, light your candles or whatever else you may have. That's basically it. So this definitely works a lot easier than your typical old style lighters. This electric lighter gets the job done even if it's windy outside. So great product.